Emma was a young girl who lived in a small town. The town was quiet and peaceful. There were green trees, small houses, and a calm river near the park. Emma liked the night. Every night before sleeping, she looked at the sky from her window. The sky was dark, but it was full of stars. The stars looked like small lights. Emma always wondered something. "Why do stars shine in the dark?" she asked her mother one night. Her mother smiled. "Stars shine because the world needs light, even at night," her mother said softly. Emma liked that answer. After dinner, Emma brushed her teeth, put on her pajamas, and went to bed. Her room was simple and cozy. She had a small bed, a wooden desk, and a yellow lamp beside her bed. That lamp was very special to her. Her father gave it to her when she was little. The lamp gave a warm and soft light. It made the room feel calm and safe. That night, Emma turned off the lamp and looked at the stars again. The night was very quiet. The wind moved slowly outside the window. The trees whispered softly. Emma closed her eyes, but suddenly she saw something strange. A small light moved outside her window. Emma opened her eyes again. The light was still there. It was not a star. It was moving slowly. Emma sat up in her bed. "What is that?" she whispered. The small light moved closer to the window. It was glowing gently, like a tiny star floating in the air. Emma was not afraid. The light felt peaceful. Slowly, the window opened a little. The small light floated into the room. Emma watched quietly. The light moved around the room like it was exploring. It looked at the desk. It looked at the lamp. Then it floated near Emma's bed. Emma spoke very softly. "Hello?" The light shimmered. It moved up and down slowly. It was like it was saying hello back. Emma smiled. "Are you a star?" she asked. The light danced gently in the air. It was small, warm, and beautiful. Emma felt calm when she looked at it. The little light moved toward the lamp beside the bed. It circled the lamp slowly. Then something magical happened. The lamp began to glow again, but Emma did not turn it on. The light from the lamp became softer and warmer than before. The room looked peaceful. The walls looked golden. Emma felt sleepy. The little light floated above her bed. It moved slowly, like a firefly. Emma asked one more question. "Why are you here?" For a moment, the light stayed very still. Then it moved slowly toward the window. Outside, the stars were shining. The night sky was beautiful. The little light came back near Emma again. Emma suddenly understood something. Maybe the light was not lost. Maybe the light was helping the night feel less dark, helping people feel calm, just like the stars. Emma smiled again. "Thank you for visiting me," she whispered. The small light moved gently in the air. Then it floated slowly back to the window. Outside, the night wind was soft. The trees moved quietly. the little light joined the sky again. Now Emma saw many small lights in the distance. Maybe they were stars. Maybe they were small lights like the one in her room. Emma lay down again. The lamp was still glowing softly. Her room felt warm and peaceful. Emma closed her eyes. She thought about something her mother once said: "The world always has light, even in the dark." Emma breathed slowly. The night was calm. The stars watched the quiet town. The river moved slowly under the moon. The houses were silent. People were sleeping. Dreams were beginning. Emma fell asleep with a small smile. Outside, the stars continued shining, and somewhere in the sky, a small light moved gently through the night, helping the dark feel a little brighter. And the quiet town slept peacefully under the soft light of the stars. The night was calm. The night was gentle, and the little light continued its silent journey across the sky, watching, shining, and bringing quiet dreams to anyone who needed a little light in the night. Emma was sleeping peacefully in her bed. Her breathing was slow and calm. The night outside was very quiet. The moon was high in the sky, and the stars were still shining softly. Inside Emma's room, the yellow lamp was glowing gently. The warm light made the room feel safe. Emma was dreaming. In her dream, she was walking in a beautiful field. The grass was green and soft. A gentle wind moved through the trees. The sky in her dream looked different. It was darker than usual, but it was full of small lights. They looked like stars, but these lights were moving slowly. One of the lights came closer to Emma. It looked very familiar. It was the same little light that visited her room. The light floated gently in front of her. Emma smiled in her dream. "Hello again," she said softly. The little light moved slowly in the air, like it was happy to see her. Emma started walking through the field. The little light followed her. Soon, Emma saw something in the distance. There was a small village. The houses were tiny and quiet. Soft lights were glowing inside the windows. People were sleeping peacefully. Emma looked at the little light. "Do you visit everyone?" she asked. The little light moved gently up and down. It looked like a yes. Emma felt warm inside. They continued walking through the quiet field. The night in the dream felt calm and peaceful. Suddenly, Emma saw something strange. Near the village, there was a small house, but the house was dark. There was no light in the windows. The house looked lonely. Emma felt a little sad when she saw it. She pointed at the house. "Why is that house so dark?" she asked. The little light floated slowly toward the house. Emma followed. When they arrived, Emma saw a boy sleeping inside the house. The boy looked worried. Even in his sleep, his face looked sad. Emma whispered softly, He looks unhappy." The little light floated near the window. Then the light slowly entered the house. Emma watched carefully. The small light moved gently above the boy's bed. The room slowly became brighter. Not bright like the sun, but soft and warm, like the light in Emma's room. The boy's face slowly changed. His eyebrows relaxed. His breathing became calm. He looked peaceful now. Emma smiled. "The light is helping him," she said. The little light moved slowly around the room. Then it floated back to Emma. Emma felt something special. She understood something important. The little light was not just a light. It was bringing comfort. It was bringing calm dreams. It was helping people feel safe at night. Emma looked at the sky again. Now she saw many small lights moving in the distance. They were traveling across the night sky. Maybe every light had a small mission. Maybe every light was helping someone sleep peacefully. Emma felt happy. They continued walking through the quiet village. The wind was gentle, the trees moved softly. Everything felt peaceful. Soon, Emma saw a small river. The water was shining under the moon. The little light floated above the water. The river looked like a mirror. It reflected the stars and the glowing lights in the sky. Emma sat beside the river. The grass felt soft under her feet. "This place is beautiful," she said quietly. The little light floated beside her. For a moment, everything was still. The night felt endless and calm. Emma looked at the little light again. "Do you ever get tired?" she asked. The light shimmered softly. It moved slowly, like it was thinking. Then it floated higher in the air. It moved in a slow circle. Emma watched carefully. The light looked joyful. It looked free. Emma laughed softly. "Maybe lights never get tired," she said. The little light returned beside her again. Emma looked at the peaceful village. Every house had a soft light now. Every window looked warm. The night did not feel dark anymore. It felt calm and safe. Emma lay down on the soft grass in her dream. She looked at the sky. The stars were everywhere. The little light floated above her. Emma's eyes slowly started closing. Her dream was becoming softer. The wind became quieter. The village slowly faded away. The river disappeared. The sky became darker again. But the little light was still there. Emma whispered one last thing. "Thank you for helping people." The light shimmered warmly. Then it slowly floated higher into the sky. Emma's dream became peaceful and silent. Slowly, Emma opened her eyes. She was back in her room. The lamp was still glowing softly. The night outside the window was calm. Emma looked at the sky again. The stars were shining, but now she wondered something new. Maybe those stars were not just stars. Maybe they were small lights traveling through the night sky, helping people feel calm, helping people have sweet dreams. Emma smiled quietly. She closed her eyes again. Her breathing became slow and peaceful. Outside, the little light continued its journey through the night sky, moving from house to house, from dream to dream,
bringing comfort, bringing peace, and bringing soft, quiet dreams to anyone who needed a little light in the night. The town slept peacefully. The stars watched from above, the wind moved gently through the trees, and somewhere in the quiet sky, the little light continued shining softly. Because even in the darkest night, there is always a small light somewhere, watching, waiting, and bringing peace to the world while everyone sleeps.